Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming GA4 property access and clarifying the dashboard's purpose: conversions, sessions, or revenue. Once done, map the key events and metrics you must surface, and make sure your site has Measurement ID or GTM implemented. Now open Explore or Looker Studio and create a new report. Link the correct GA4 property. This immediate setup avoids backtracking and puts you in position to add precise charts and segments next. You'll construct the middle of the dashboard by choosing visuals that answer your goals: time trends, channel breakdowns, and top events. Once the data source is connected, add segments for user behavior comparisons and apply date range controls for context. Configure each chart's dimension and metric pairing, event name with event count, page title with views, so numbers align. Make sure to apply filters for internal traffic and use sampling controls. This keeps the insights accurate as you refine presentation and interactivity. Finish by polishing layout, adding explanatory labels, and setting a refresh cadence. Then share with stakeholders and lock metric definitions so everyone reads the same numbers. Once done, test interactive controls and mobile responsiveness and save a reusable template. If metrics are missing or off, inspect tag firing in debug mode, confirm time zone and filter settings, and account for GA4 processing delays. These steps quickly reveal common causes so you can correct data capture without rebuilding the dashboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.